Hello. So in this video, I just wanted to give you a short introduction to my next playlist, which is basically I'm me attempting this build your own shell challenge. And I've already gone through it a bit, and I already have a coding vlog out on my YouTube channel. And that basically comprises of my initial exploratory analysis of this challenge. So it was just me coding along in one go, but I plan to do a better, architect it out better, and basically structure my code better in the next playlist that will be out on my YouTube channel. Anyways, I just wanted to give you a short demo of what we will be building, basically what this challenge allows you to do. By the end of it, you will have a fully functioning Java program, which will essentially simulate your shell, any terminal. So, which is POSIX compliant. POSIX is a specification for a shell, and if you run this program, you see you get your dollar sign, which is basically like whatever you get on your terminal. And right here you can do pwd, which is a command that this program supports. You can see the commands I've added the support for right here. I've added the cat command, cd command, echo command, exit command, pwd command, type command. So I showed you the pwd command. Let me show you the cd command. cdsrc pwd, and now I'm into the source folder. So it's basically a fully functioning shell. I can cd out of it, print present working directory, and you see I'm out of the source folder now. I haven't added the ls command. I will add that if required. It's quite simple, it isn't that hard. Anyways, let me show you other commands. Cat readme.md. You see that's the entire content of the readme file right here. You can see it in your terminal. That's the cat command. We also have, I showed you the cat command, cd command. Let me show you the echo command. As echo command basically simply prints out whatever you give it. Hi. And it works even without quotes. So it's code sensitive. So we will be building a parser for it that will read these commands according to the specification. That is one thing that we're going to do. And what else? Echo command. Let me show you the type command. So I didn't know what type command was before attending this challenge. I rarely ever used it. So you can see type cd. It just tells you what the command is. If you give it a command, it will tell you what it is. And if you have an executable in your path variables, type can also tell you, the type command can also tell you like it's this executable. It will give you the path basically to that executable. But since I'm running this program on a Windows machine, it won't work. For example, pwd cat, I think so. Oh, sorry, type cat. Yeah, see, you get no such file or directory because there was no cat command added to my path variables on my Windows machine. But if it were running on a Linux machine, it would work. So when we will be building this challenge, you can see that when I push it up to Code Crafters, it runs successfully. So that's the only difference. It won't work on Windows. And basically that's it. That's all the command that I've added so far. The last command that I can show you here is the exit command, and I can exit out of the shell with status code of 0. 0 stands for success. Any other status code 1 to 255 is basically error. So let me exit this shell successfully, and that will end the program. It will terminate the program, and that's basically it. That's all I've done for now. I'll add more features to it, basically all the features that are listed here. I've added the navigation, I've added the support for pwd, cd command, the type command. I have added parsing for these single and double quotes, but we need to add parsing for more, make our parser better, more compliant with the specification. Then we need to do redirection uh, of the commands. I don't know what that is. I haven't read what's required of us. Auto completion, like on a proper terminal. Let me show you. Like in a proper terminal, when you type a command, you get some sort of a autocomplete. I'm not sure if I get it on WSL. No, I don't. Oh, I actually do. See, it showed me the output. Like I can choose cat here. So I didn't give it any input. So I can just break up. So basically, that's what autocomplete stands for in Shell. It's not like the AI autocomplete or IntelliSense in a IDE. That's auto completion, executable completion, and what else? Pipelines. Yeah, we can add support for pipelines. We can pipe the output of one command into the other command. Like you can pipe the output of a cat command into a grep command, and you can grep out. You can find something in the text. That's what pipelines allow you to do. And then finally, I think we have history. Yeah, so history command tells you. Let me show you. The history command tells you whatever command has been run in your terminal. So we'll have to, in the order they were implement, in the order the commands ran, it will tell you all the commands that have been run. Let me show you ls, and then I show you history. So these are all the commands that I have run so far since installing my Docker. I installed Docker on this WSL. So it will show you all the commands in that specific order. So we will implement some sort of a list for this because we require the order. I think so. That's how we will implement it. It's quite simple. It shouldn't be that hard. And what other features do we have? And history persistent. We can write history to a file as well and read history from a file. Maybe that allows me to recreate the state of my terminal. Quite interesting. I don't know about that. We'll see that together. Anyways, that's it for this video. I just wanted to give you a short intro about what we're going to be building. And that's it. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.